Do you want to add yours on WhatsApp status? You can add your sticker on WhatsApp status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add yours on WhatsApp status, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, go to the Update tab menu at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see your friend's status and the channels you follow. At the top of the screen, tap on Add Status to create a new status. A new screen will appear showing your device's gallery pictures. Select the photo or video you want to add as your status. Now you are in the status editing screen. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. From the sticker options, select the Add Your Sticker. Type your prompt or question in the sticker title. You can move and resize the sticker on your status screen. Finally, tap on the send icon to post it as your WhatsApp status. Your status will now appear with the Add Your Sticker, and your friends can reply to it with their own statuses.